Memory. The storage space in a computer is called memory. The data and instructions that are entered into the computer using input devices are stored inside the memory. There are two types of memory: primary memory and secondary memory. Primary memory. This is the main memory of a computer. CPU can directly access this memory. It is fixed on the motherboard of a computer. Primary memory is further divided into two types: random access memory (RAM), read-only memory (ROM). Random access memory (RAM). RAM is a temporary memory. The information stored in this memory is lost when the computer is turned off. That's why it is also called volatile memory. It temporarily stores data and instructions given by the user and also the results produced by the computer. Types of RAM. 1. Dynamic RAM (DRAM). It requires continuous power to refresh the data stored. 2. Static RAM (SRAM). It also requires constant power to hold on to data, but it doesn't need to be continually refreshed the way DRAM does or DRAM does. However, SRAM is significantly faster and uses less power than DRAM. Read-only memory (ROM). Information stored in ROM is permanent in nature, that is, it holds the data even if the system is switched off. It holds the starting instructions that are required to start a computer. It is also called non-volatile memory. Secondary memory. This memory is permanent in nature and is not directly accessed by the CPU. It allows users to store data that may be easily retrieved. It is cheaper as compared to primary memory. Secondary memory devices are also called secondary storage devices. They are categorized into three types: magnetic disk, optical disk, and flash drive. Secondary storage devices. Magnetic disk. A device covered with a magnetic coating is called a magnetic disk. You can record and erase data on a magnetic disk any number of times. Hard disk. The hard disk consists of one or more magnetic disks. Each disk in the pack has top and bottom surfaces on which data is recorded using magnetic head. It is permanently fixed in the system unit. The most important function of the hard disk is to store program files and data files. Hard disks are available in a variety of sizes with storage capacities as high as 5 TB, terabyte or even more. The CPU can access data stored on a hard disk much faster than it can access data on a CD. External hard disks are also available. They are the hard disk that can be connected to any computer with the help of a USB port. Optical disk. An optical disk is an electronic data storage medium that can be used to write and read using a low-powered laser beam. Compact disk (CD). Compact disk or CD is an external storage device. It can hold up to 700 MB of data. The CD drive reads information stored on a compact disk. CD drive is usually connected inside the CPU box but can also be connected using a USB port. Types of CDs. CD-ROM, compact disk read-only memory. A CD-ROM is a CD containing data that has been written at the time of manufacturing. The data cannot be modified or erased. CDR, compact disk recordable. A CDR can be used to write data by the user only once. This data cannot be changed or erased. CDRW, compact disk rewritable. A CDRW can be used to write data again and again. The data can be erased and modified as many times as required. Digital versatile disc or digital video disc (DVD). The DVD is almost similar to a CD. Even the working is also similar. The only difference is that it can hold more information than a CD. DVDs are widely used for storing and viewing movies and other data. Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is an optical disc. It is used for storing a large amount of data. The main difference between DVDs and Blu-ray disc is that storage capacity of Blu-ray disc is higher than that of a DVD. Flash drive. The flash drive is a small portable data storage device integrated with a USB Universal Serial Bus connector. Pen drive. Pen drive acts as a portable hard drive and is easy to use as it is small, can be carried in a pocket and can be plugged into any computer with a USB drive. Pen drive has storage capacity of up to 1 TB. Memory card. It is commonly known as multimedia memory card. It is very small in size, usually 1 to 1.5 inches. These are used in mobile phones and digital cameras. You need to have a card reader to read the stored data on a memory card.